Hey YouTube, today I am in my village. So I was just passing through the river. So I thought monsoon season has begun. So I just want to show you the river in my village. I just want to show you this river because of the flow of water in normal rain, and also I will compare this video whenever the rain will be very high and the flow of water will exceed all its limits. So you can see the flow of water is very normal, and also the weather is quite good. So guys, today it was Sunday, so I was at my home enjoying my Sunday. Suddenly in the morning it started raining so heavily. So I thought that I also need to compare this video. So I just uh, came across the river and I was shooting the flow of water to compare my past video and today's video to show you all the flow of water. This flow of water is not up to that max level, but yeah, this kind of was heavy rain, and flow of water was also high. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked the video.